Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So one of the most sought after casting. So the Ferrari F40, and this is by Tomica from their premium series. And the scale is 1 by 62. So I'm hoping this would be, think a little bit bigger than the Subaru which we unboxed, which by the way is an absolutely amazing casting. And if you guys are still seeing that anywhere in sale, go ahead and buy it. Don't even hesitate. Okay. Okay, here it is. It has this paper. It's the same thing again, like I don't know what it is. Some kind of code and all. I need to see what it is. Apart from that, nothing else is in the box. I really need to see this casting, what all the fuss is about. Let me just put this in. See, personally, I'm a fan of Lamborghini. I'm not a fan of Ferrari. But as a fan of, in general, cars, I do appreciate Ferrari a lot because it does look really beautiful. And okay, look at this. The first impressions of this, it looks so beautiful. If you are holding this in your hand, you will feel the beauty of it. I'm not going to say anything else. You can see the acrylic headlights, the logo placement. So honestly, man, a lot of people, a lot of you guys are actually fighting for this that shitty Hot Wheels Ferrari. But just save some money, just buy at least one Tomica Ferrari like this. Honestly, you won't be disappointed at all, and you will feel more happy because Tomica does both Ferrari and Lamborghini in a really beautiful way. Maybe apart from that one Lamborghini Essenza, which was not really good. But apart from that, you can see here these two are Tomicas and the Miura Jota is Tomica. Whatever it is, this Huracan Anniversary Edition is Tomica, and the Diablo, which is one of the most amazing castings which I own by Tomica. Like it, I don't have any words to say, even describe. You can see the bucket seats inside. Oh man, that is so beautiful. And you can see the rear view mirror as well. And you can see the engine detailing here even without opening the hood. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. It does have some chassis detailing here. And the rims here are plastic, which by the way I personally love. And you can see the exhaust details here, the tail light details, the logo placement here. Those are so beautiful. I mean, there is no other way to describe it, man. Tomica did really an amazing job on this one. Whenever my friends told, this casting is so beautiful, so amazing, you need to try it, just go for it, something like that. Since I was not a big fan of Ferrari, I never actually even thought about buying these things. But when this casting, when I saw this casting around a reasonable price, I bought this for somewhere around 1,100 or so. Okay. When I saw this, I was like, okay, let's buy it and see how this one looks. So it looks so gorgeous. So you can see even the tiny, I thought this was some kind of mistake, but that is supposed to be a turn indicator, it seems, because it has the same detailing on both sides. Okay, let's open this part here. That is actually tight. I never thought that this is going to be this much tighter. Okay, that is so beautiful. Let me just focus here. You can see the engine detailing here, right? That is so awesome, man. That is so awesome. Let me just try to put more in close up. So that is so beautiful. Okay, so it is not just falling down, right? It is just standing there, and it locks with a click, which is really nice. Okay, now, okay, let's see what else is here. Okay, nothing much, but this is more than enough if you ask me. Again, to all the people who only buys Hot Wheels and only thinking Hot Wheels are more collectible, and all these things, just please, just for once in your life, go ahead, save some money, buy a Tomica, even if it is a mainline, buy a Tomica. You will love it. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, honestly, that is just 40 grams, but if you hold it in your hand, that looks more premium than ever. I mean, more premium than any other brands on the same range, if you ask me. That looks absolutely gorgeous. And it has more premium finish to it, even compared to either Hot Wheels premiums, or even say, I will say, Hot Wheels RLC, because RLC only has that kind of Spectra flame paint job, and that is the only gimmick they have. Nothing, nothing much. But these are so beautiful. Let's do a roll test. I know this is not going to roll really well, but just since it rolls, we need to roll it. Okay, it does have a lot of wheel wobble, especially on the rear wheels, you can see. Okay, that is really funny. But end of the day, we are not going to, at least I am not going to play with it. So I'm just going to take it every now and then in my hand. I'm just going to look at it and admire its beauty. I'm just going to open it like this and look it inside, and I'll just think, okay, how they managed to cram everything into the small casting with proper and perfect details. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.